Good afternoon. It is Tuesday afternoon, October 10th, and one of the people in the Mission Winner site, had asked a question about how do you use the key list? What do we do with this? The key list is a list of stocks that I produce every night. I go through and I scan, a couple hundred charts every night. And this is what I'm looking for, folks. And it all has to do with Mission Winners. And I can quantify it. About 50% of a stock price's movement is related to the market and the industry group and the sector that it's in. Basically, if you take those three variables, it's telling you something. If half of the stock price's movement is related to the groups it's in, well, by Jove, I'm going to sit there and look for leading groups and leading stocks. Well, we've got some of these right in here. I want to share this with you. This is the key list for Monday. You can see where it says that. This is the key list for Tuesday, and it's a list of stocks. And I put the buy zone on it, the ticker symbol, the buy price or the buy zone, and notes on these. This is today's list. This came out last night, and here's some of the stocks that were on the list. By the way, you'll see every once in a while, you'll see a stock that's on this on Mondays, and it's on Tuesdays also. Like, look, here's Boeing. Boeing was here, Boeing was there. And I sort this, all right? I sort this by what type of base or what type of pattern it is, whether it be a long base or a short base or a pullback. And I just want to share something with you here. This is Monday's list. I put this out Sunday night, and I went to the Mission Winners VIP folks. And I'm not tooting my horn, but I just want to show you this. I can't make this up. This is from Monday. Teradyne's doing good and it's grinding up. ICHR was on the list. Buy zone 2676. Bounce off 8 EMA, 1 volume. ICHR, we're going to take a look at that chart in the next video and you'll see exactly what's going on. By the way, here's GWRE, 1 volume through the buy zone, GWRE, and it lifted off today. It was on Sunday night's list and it was on Monday night's list. There it is. These are organized, as I said, by a type of base that they're in. And I give input, guidance on whether, what to look for. Like Boeing. Boeing's a shorter base and I say go smaller. I also give guidelines down here. And you can read it. I'm not going to read it to you. But the bottom line is this. A longer base has better odds of working than a shorter base. Like a 5-day base has a higher failure rate. YRD lifted off through 46 and it followed through. So that's good. YRD, that was on the list. Facebook, just kind of sitting there. Anyway, these are the lists. This one hasn't triggered yet. Stamps hasn't triggered yet. Alibaba did trigger, or we're in it. My point is this. You can use the key list as a way to find setups for yourself. It's a way to delegate. And again, it's what I've been doing since 1986, so I enjoy it though. I love doing it and I love teaching it. One of the things I stress is this is organized, as I said, by what type of base it is. Whether it's a longer base, these are, bases, and I say shorter base, longer base. And then I took it a step further. I refined this because people requested me to do this. I broke this down into several different groups. Longer base, you can see where it says long base. Short base, I also have in there at times pullbacks. There are pullbacks in there. Again, ICHR, 2676, bounce off 8 EMA. That's what we were looking for Sunday night when I made this. And it lifted off. These are the list from last night, some of the stocks. SolarEdge. If you punch up a chart on SolarEdge, it's resting on the 8. It needs a volume surge and a price advance. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to give you a list. I'm trying to give you some buy zones. And I'm telling you what kind of a base it is and what to key on. It's called a key list. Under notes, long base. This is the long base section. This is the shorter base section. Wanted to share that with you. What I'm going to do is, you can write some of these down if you want. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down some charts right now with this list that you have here in front of you, and we'll just look at a couple of them. So I wanted to share that with you. It's a way to help you. My goal is not just to give you stock ideas, okay? It's to educate you so that you can determine what makes a good pattern, a good profitable pattern where you can buy that sucker at the right time and make money. That's what we're after. So I wanted to share this with you. This is the key list for Monday. This was the key list for Tuesday. This was sent out to the group Sunday night. This was sent out to the group Monday night for the next day or today. So now we're going to go through and we're going to look at some charts. But I just wanted to share this video with you, and I thank you.